So this is the location of Solaris Ceramics and General Merchandise here in Liloan Road. You can see this is Liloan Road. That's on the way to Cebu, and this is what you see on the side of the road. Is MHD. It's now Solaris Builders Bargain Center. And what you're looking at here are the 60 by 60 porcelain tile. Not ceramic, but porcelain at 99 pesos. This is the wood effect tile. So, they're only having the sale on this one, kanilang ma'am, no? On the porcelain rustic effect at 99 pesos each for the 60 by 60 centimeters. Now you're looking at the sale of a 60 by 60 or a 24 by 24 inch porcelain, gyapon ni ma'am, porcelain tiles at only 115 pesos. So if you are buying more bulk, not just a few pieces, they still can give you discount, especially if you are paying in cash. There, these are all 115 from 150. So you can see that's the regular price that they do, but they are now on sale on this side. Kanitanan ma'am? 115? Or oh no. Okay, sorry. So the porcelain 115 each is only this plain grayish beige that you are looking at right now. So what are the other one? The matte effect is now 122 each, 60 by 60. And then you got the another shiny glossy one, ceramic red body, is 129 from 149. And this one, so this is granite porcelain at 150 each. This is another 179. So you can see the designs. Oh, what shocked me, because I have those this kind on my house all over my bedroom. This is the tiles I'm using, 60 by 60, and now it's 145. I paid full price when it come out first from the container. Just 250 before, and now it's so lower down from now 185. But when I bought mine, it just arrived in Cebu. So here is another aluminum door sample. That's 3,700. That's the back of the door. And less 400 pesos, you'll be paying 3,300. It's 70 by 210. 200. 70 by 200. This is where the back of the door. You already got a mirror, and you only have to install. That one is 1,400. It's only a PVC door for 1,400. But the aluminum door, as far for my opinion, is very, very economical. This is the one I have in my bedroom. I thought it was the other one, but it's the same family. This one is the color I had. The one with flicker of gold. I thought because the other one is only plain without the flicker of gold. This is 185. I had it all over my bedroom because this is the motif. Gold, maroon, and beige. There you see is 188 for this brown thing. 60 by 60. We are looking at tiles of 60 by 60. This wood effect tiles, 60 by 60, is 135 each. So I'm just showing you the different design. But this one are matte effect, 60 by 60, ceramic, 135 pesos each. That's the price for all of this, what I'm showing you.
And 135 negotiable price. Right?
So this 135 is still negotiable. You still can have discount if you pay by cash. 175.60 by 60. And kani 140 lagi ni Ma'am Michelle.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is 1 day lead time. So here, this is the 141 matte effect wood. Kato imong gipakita gyud ako dito nakita, ma'am. Asa to? Oh, kari matingin ito, ma'am. So we'll also look at this. Kato kay na yung mga design. O kani ma'am tagpila ni. To ma'am, mosaic
Kani mga kuan siya mga
borders, the 25 pesos each. The mosaic is ranging from 200 of the 16 by 16 to 300 pesos. They also have a 40 by 40 or 16 by 16 inch tiles at sale at 38 pesos per tile. So this is what you're looking for, my OFW brothers who are building their houses right now. You have to come here at Solaris Ceramics and General Merchandise in Liloan. That one, ma'am, wala nag-sale, ma'am Michelle.
Ano siya 30 by 30.
Kani so they also have the 30 by 30 at 40 pesos each, and of course if you pay cash you can still have a discount like 10% off, 10% off for the 30 by 30. The one I've been showing you with a big sale price, those are the ones that they really knock down the price so much because they have a lot of stocks. So these are the 40 by 40 tiles. It's used to be 16 by 16. Used to be 70 pesos each. Now it's only 65. But they are already very cheap. See, there is still 65 for this design. Any 65 Japan, 66. 65.
Yes, 5 pesos.
So again, you can have this in installment, 0% 6 months using your Metrobank credit card or PS Bank credit card. So this is still 65 pesos. 40 by 40, 65 pesos. That's the 40 by 40, 65 pesos. Na kay number, Ma'am Michelle? Okay, kung if ever they call, mangita sila nimo. So this is the Octavio beige. There you can see it's written there, installments, 6 months, 0 interest, Metrobank or PS Bank credit card. So this is quite useful for my OFW brothers who's asking for, they even got the rustic ceramic here. You know, the one, the pattern that you have to connect. It's 55 pesos each. And here, this is 50 pesos each. They also sell wall tiles, which is like an off size, like 30 by 60 for the walls. This design is 90 pesos each, and less discount if you pay cash, of course. And this is 88 for this design, and this is 12 by 24 inch wall tiles at 59 pesos per piece. So if you have your outdoor looking like a stone effect, kanimo yung mga cheaper, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
They got this 7 by 20 inch at 50 pesos each. Less 20% pa na sa 50.
Kanang kuan. 50% niya, less 20% pa lang. Or 50
pesos. So you're looking at here, this 50 pesos, if you pay cash, is still less 20% discount, like it says there. So 20%, like 10, 5 and 10%, and 5 pesos. So be 40 pesos each. These tiles, 7 by 20 inch. So they have a lot of stocks of different one, but the cheapest they do is those 580. So these are the different design. This is 8 by 12 at 17 pesos each. 12 pesos? So this design is 12 pesos each. This one, kaning stripes mo is 17 pesos each. This size is 20 by 28 by 20 by 30. Oh, you can see it. Ato ko na ikuan. See? It's 20 by 30 wall tiles. So, unsa pa effect mo mesh? So, you got here. Lahi isa siya, ma'am. This is our ceramics. It's now 62 12 by 24 inch. This is 62 pesos each. The same rin sila, ma'am. So these are 62 pesos each. Kato, kate pa, ma'am. Kani 12 by 12, 40 pesos each. Kani 28 pesos for the colored one. What you're looking at here, laminated wood effect, it's 120 each. Kanan. So you can come here, visit here in their showroom. They are just open. You can see the internal of the hardware. And it is beside the road of Liloan, Yati Liloan. Before you reach the City Hall of Liloan, you already see this, where the loads of merchants selling pots and pans and the bamboo furnitures across. So this is called Solaris Ceramics and General Merchandise. Are atong kuhaan ni David Mamda.